Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom, and in this video, we are going to take a look at the outfit, the jewelry, the handbag, one sub-collection, and then we're going to wrap it up with actually two unboxings, but one of them is very small. So let me go ahead and show you all the outfit really quickly. Okay, so you all have seen my outfits for church. They're very traditional, but when it comes to my casual wear, a whole other story. There's no telling what I might end up in. So this is a batwing chiffon shirt with a matching tee that is attached. It's actually a tank, and in what I call watercolors. And then I have on a pair of linen wide leg pants that are frayed at the bottom with, can you all see that? There are some cutouts there on each leg, and then different colors. And then the pants have on seam crescent shaped patch pockets. And then the shoes that I have on are my favorite designer Piccolinos, low heeled of course, slingbacks. They're leather slingbacks, and they are extremely comfortable. And then I'm going to sit down so that you all can see the jewelry. So this is a double strand wooden necklace with wooden earrings, and the necklace can be extended. I don't know if you all can see the ends there, but if I pull the necklace to its maximum, it will extend the length. So very versatile, one of my favorite pieces. I really enjoy this, and it's very lightweight, and I love the earth tone colors, really like jewel tone colors in this necklace. So let's see, was there anything that didn't show you? My bracelet, it's leather, and it has a heart. What is that? A charm? I guess it's a charm. It slides on, it snaps, and then the charm slides on like that. So that is the outfit, and I am going to move on to the unboxing at this point because it is involved. I have my gloves. Of course, I have my Lysol. And the last time I did this, you all, I was in, I didn't realize it until I watched the video, but I was in such an unladylike position. My apologies for that. I'll try to make it a little better of a posture position this time. So these are some nitrile gloves that I purchased way before the Rona hit. So I happen to have these that I will use for my unboxings. I've already sprayed the boxes down. I'm just going to pop these on really quickly, hopefully really quickly. They're a pretty shade of blue, huh? Uh-oh. I wanted to have this done, but the gloves, I don't know, do they match my outfit? I wanted to have this done before I showed you all the outfit, but I was like, oh, that's gonna look weird with... Anyway, all right, so there are 10 pairs in this package, which is good because the boxes that I showed you all in my last video have grown exponentially. I probably have 18 boxes, packages to share with you all. So let's just start with two of them. All right, this is a small one, and this I was pretty excited about, and I think you will see why when I show it to you. It is a purse charm that came in this little packet. I bought it, of course, from eBay. And this is the charm, and look at what it says, you guys. It says military mom. Yes, I have no idea what bag I'm going to put this on. It is so tiny, but we will work that out later. All right, so the next package, yeah, it came torn, so let's just get right into it. I have no idea what's in this box, so we will discover it together. It is also from eBay. And this is how the seller packaged it before the box was torn. It has nice bubble wrap. And I will spray this all down later. But this is, oh yeah, this is new with tags. And this is a Rebecca Minkoff bag. And it is a shoulder, actually it's a crossbody because the strap is really, really long. And look at these beautiful silver grommets. There is so much hardware on this bag, which is unusual for me because I don't typically trend toward bags that have a lot of hardware. But the reason that I bought this bag is because it reminded me so much of the Coach courier bag with all of the rivets. I don't think the Coach courier bag has the grommets on the handle, on the strap though, but it was the closure that reminded me of the Coach courier, and I wasn't about to spend what they wanted for the Coach courier, but then again I never do. So there is, this bag is called the Midnighter by, can you all see that, Rebecca Minkoff? The tiny little text logo there. She doesn't have feet. She's a very structured bag. She does have an exterior rear pocket, slip pocket, which is another reason that I purchased this bag. And you all, I have purchased so many bags lately. I hope I'm remembering this. I will double check, but I'm pretty sure this bag cost me $112, and it is leather. So let's take a quick tour of the interior. And here is the all-important dust bag, Rebecca Minkoff. And she has an under flap pocket that is leather all the way down. And there is her organization, a zip, and three, is it three? Might be two, credit card slots there. And then on the front wall, there is another slip pocket. So that is the interior, nice and light. And let me just show you how this bag looks on. I really don't want to try it on without spraying it, but you know what? At this point, I can't worry about it. I hope the bat wing is not, there it is, okay. So here's how she looks suspended from my shoulder, and then the strap is adjustable. The grommets are actually the notches. So this bag can go just an illustration of how short it can go. Right? That looks really weird, but again, just an illustration. And let me show you crossbody quickly because I want to get to the bags that I was considering with this outfit and then the sub collection. So crossbody on that setting. Really pretty bag actually. And it's similar to the Coach chalk color. So there is the newest addition to the Duck's Nest that will rest here in the Operations Center. My Rebecca Minkoff Midnighter crossbody / shoulder bag. And let me show you all the bags really quickly that I was considering with this outfit. Well, you all know the deal about the gloves, so since this outfit is so boho, this Marco Avante, I think is the name of the designer of this bag. I've had this bag a very long time, and again, dealing with the batwing sleeves on this top, but I thought that this bag went well with this outfit. But to be honest with you all, I don't want to be bothered with the sleeves, so I would probably carry, I'm going to take these gloves off. I would probably carry my Dunia Burke Ambler in the color olive because I can carry her in my hand. I don't have to throw her over my shoulder. She coordinates with the colors in this outfit, and we all know about Ambler, just a great little powerhouse of a bag. So there you have it. Now, on to the sub collection, and then we will wrap up. This video is dedicated to Nessa from Nessa's Garden of Treasures, The Closet Dive, Mrs. Q, and everyone else in the community who is rocking a Coach Willis. What I want to share with you now is what I call my Dowel rod collection. And this is a bag that I shared in the last video. It, of course, is my vintage Willis. And there is the Dowel rod. And the redesigned Willises have the same rod. So there's my Willis. And then this is my Boldrini satchel that also has dowel rods there at the top. And my Coach Drifter satchel. I think they call this a carry-all actually, with the dowel rods there at the top. Collapsible handles on this beauty. Look at the hardware. Oh my gosh, just a great bag. And last but not least, this no-name bag that you all, I have not carried this bag in 4 years, but let me tell you, this bag will never ever leave my collection. And this is a no-name, all leather, hand-tooled bag with, of course, the dowel rods, right? She is a great bag because let's start off with her back pocket. There's the lining. She has 5 feet instead of 4. And look at the buckle detail on her front pocket. It is silver, it is engraved, and then it is trimmed in gold rope on the buckle. I'm telling you all, this is such a great bag. Nice size, gusseted front pocket, and her interior. She has this great extended zipper, and I have her stuff, but this is the Velcro that cinches her together. Of course, she opens nice and wide. And above all, you guys, you all, she passes the elbow test with a little wiggling. And that strap drop is probably only, I don't know, 8 or 9 inches. But yeah, this is a dowel rod. Like I said, no name bag. I think I paid probably $50 for this bag. I don't even remember where I got it from. But this is Military Moms shout out and unboxing. I'm sorry, shout out to the wonderful dowel rod bags, unboxing outfit, Rona, all of that. So last but not least, I want to close with an update on the TWA. My hair's getting so long, don't be surprised if one day I show up with twists. Yes, I might be rocking twists if this keeps up. So thank you so much for dropping by the Duck's Nest. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please come back next week when I will be sharing my nylon sub collection. Thanks again, stay safe, and as always, happy carrying.